به خير الأنام وعلى آله العظام وأصحابه الكرام أما بعد فقد قال الله تعالى في القرآن وإنك لعلى خلق عظيم وقال في مقام آخر لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة لمن كان يرجو الله واليوم الآخر صدق الله العظيم. All praise is to Allah who has guided us to Islam, who is the King of the kings and the Lord of the lords, who is the omnipotent, the omniscient and the omnipresent. My honorable guests, Mr. President and dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, in such a nice gathering, I would just like to elaborate my thoughts on the topic, the biography of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Dear audience, pre-Islamic period of Arabia is known as the age of ignorance because they lived unduly immoral and corrupt life. They didn't worship Allah alone. They worshipped many gods and goddesses. They used to gamble. They used to drink wine and quarreled with each other and killed each other. That's the reason that Allah chose Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to show them the right way, to show them how to be on the right track, to show them how to live in this world and how to live from this world. Dear audience, when he started preaching Islam, in the beginning people abominated and detested him. But when they observed his character and conduct, the shape of their civilization was completely changed and replaced with the ideal and condition. The drinkers became worshippers. The vagabonds of Almighty Allah became the lovers of Almighty Allah. The enemies of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, became the loyalists of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And the interceptors of Islam became the developers of Islam. Dear audience, the character of the Holy Prophet was embodiment and exhaustive picture of truth, justice, harmony, faith, and above all manifestations of the real picture of the Holy Quran. When someone asked about his character, as Ajta Ta'ala said, Kana khuluqul Quran, which means everything which you find in Quran, he was living example of it. Mr. President, he was called As-Sadiq and Al-Amin long before Islam. He was truthful, he was trustworthy, he was very nice, he never hurt anyone, he never rude to anybody, he was pleased to everybody, he smiled, he forgave, he prayed forgiveness, he was honest and truthful, he respected his elders, he treated his jungles lovingly, he even treated with animals kindly, he had so much time for so many people. When someone met to him, he felt closest to him. He had unified the most of Arabia under a single religion. He has under the religion, he inspired his followers to forget and forgive under the harshest of circumstances. He was a loving family member who helped his wife with household activities. He was the mercy to whole universe. He was the elaboration of the verse of the Holy Quran. وَإِنَّكَ لَعَلَىٰ خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. And you are surely on an excellent start with animals kindly, and you are surely on a standard of character. सलाम उस पर जिसे मौजज़ाते पैगंबर कहते हैं, सलाम उस पर जो दहर में बनकर जाने बहार आया, जो आया तो यकायक बेकरारों को करार आया। सलाम उस पर जो हक़ व सदाकत का पयामी है, मोहम्मद उस ज़ात का इसमें गरामी है, मोहम्मद उस ज़ात का इसमें गरामी है।